Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A15 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to do photo editing in your phone Samsung Galaxy A15 5G. First of all, in your phone, go to that particular photo. Okay, here I go to Samsung, My Files, then internal storage, DCIM and camera folder. Here, more photos are available. I would like to select one photo. This photo I would like to select, or otherwise I would like to use this photo. Okay, and to edit photo, click on edit button here, and several editing options are available. First one is enhance. So you can click on enhance to add some more brightness to your photo. Okay, if you click on warm, some other colors will be changing on your photo. This is cool. Okay, so these are the suggestions given by your phone itself. Okay, if you want to crop image, you have to use another tool, crop. Here you can crop the image. For example, if you would like to do cut here and just crop like this and click on save. Okay, it will be saved. Okay, and again I go to grab, and here rotation option is also available. This is rotation option. Okay, also you can do some inclination to your photo. Okay, up to 45 degree I have inclined, and if you click here, you can use original, and several options are available. Square, then 5:4. These are the aspect ratio of this photo. So aspect ratio will be free, means you can use any aspect ratio according to your cropping. Otherwise you can use the preset aspect ratio. Okay, this is 60:9. Okay, so square will be okay for me. And if you would like to adjust, click on adjust button. Okay, and here also you can increase or decrease brightness level. Okay, brightness, for increasing brightness level, move towards the right side. Okay, and contrast, here you can add contrast. Okay, darkness to your photo, and white point, highlights, shadows, you can add some shadows, black point, saturation, warm, tint, several options are available. Okay, click on done finally, and then here you can go to markup to add something, some text. Okay, here I type hello, and that will be printed. Okay, you can move the text anywhere and fix anywhere on this photo. Okay, then I use highlighter pen. Okay, and you can change the color too. I underline it. Okay, so in this way you can do several editings. You can change color. If you want to highlight, you can use highlighter. Okay, and click on done finally. If you want to save final editing, click on save copy, and it will be saved. Okay, so in this way you can easily do photo editing in your phone Samsung Galaxy A15 5G. That's all friends, thanks for watching. Bye.